Hello, welcome back to the episode on WASSCE NOV-DEC 2024, question 47. We are to simplify into bracket 2 root 6 minus root 3 all squared. We have to bear in mind that if I have A, since we are having minus B all squared, we only square the first term twice their product, meaning 2ab, then twice the last term, that will be b squared. So this is what we are going to be doing. So if I have the term, in the case of this, I'll be having 2 root 6 minus the root of 3 all squared, squaring the first, meaning 2 root 6 all being squared minus 2 times 2 root 6 times root 3 plus the root of 3 all squared. That is what it means. You square the first term 2 times the product of the two terms, then square the last term. This is rational, irrational. So the square affects the rational at the same time affect the irrational. Remember, if I have the root of a all squared, it is just going to be a. So in the case of this, if I square the 2 times the square of the root of 6, that will be 2 times what? Itself times 6. So 2 squared times 6. And that will be giving you 24. Okay, let me just say 2 squared times 6 in the case of this. Then minus 2, this is the root, so 2 times 2 are the rational one, so there will be 4. Then in the case of this, we multiply the terms, we need a bracket. So that will give you the root of what? 6 times 3, then plus 3 from the same concept there. 2 times 6, that will be 2 times 2 is 4, times 6, 24, minus 4 root 18 plus what? Plus 3, right? Alright, we know this will come here to give us 24 plus 3 minus 4, 9 times 2, give us the 18. Normally when you are simplifying a number under the root, you look for a perfect square as a factor and a non-perfect square as a factor. So 9 times 2 is 18. 9 is the perfect factor. So we can rewrite this as 27 minus 4. This will be the root of 3 times, the root of 9 and the 2. This will simply the root on them. So this right here become 3. Root 6 and 9 is 3. 3 times 4, that will be 12. So 27 minus 12, the root of 4, 2. So let's see which of the option are we going in for. 27, 12, root 2, and that will be the right answer. I believe you also followed. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section if you have any reservation, any other way to arrive at this at faster rate. Feel free to share with us in the comment section. Share with somebody and subscribe to the channel if you have not.